Let's do the solution to the work practice we have the last time. Solution to the work practice. Now, number one, we having 5y raised times 4y raised power 4. 5y times 4y raised power 4. Here, you realize that 5 and 4 are constant number, and you have to multiply it as constant number. So that means you're having 5 times 4, which will give us 20. Now, y represents a constant number, then y raised to power 4 represents this y represents a constant number having a power. Now, since this y and this y are they are having the same constant numbers, so what you need to do, this y is same thing as saying y raised to power of 1 times y raised to power of 4. So here we need to apply the law of indices, which says that we must add their powers. So that means you have y, this y is same thing as y raised to power 1. Because of this multiplication, you add the power, then plus this 4. So that means we are having 20y raised to power of 1 plus 4 will give us 5. Now let's go to the question 2. So question 2, we are having 24x raised to power 6 divided by x raised 8x raised to power of 4. Now, this is same thing as saying 24x raised to power 6 divided by 8x raised to power 4. Here, you realize that 24 and 8 are constant numbers, and you can easily divide them. So 8 divided by 8 here is 1, and 8 in 24 will give us 3. So that means from there we are having 3x raised to power 6 divided by x raised to power 4. Now you now have what x raised to power 6 divided by x raised to power 4. And the law of indices tells us that whenever we are having division, you will subtract the powers. So that means you now have 3x. Because this is division, you now say what 6 minus 4. So you now have 3x. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. So that means our final answer is what? 3x raised to the power of 2. Now let's look at the third question. So here you are having 4 raised to power minus 3. 4 raised to the power of minus 3. And in the law of indices, we say that whenever you are having a negative power, you need to change it to a positive power. So that means this is same thing as saying 1 over the 4 raised to power of the positive 3. And 1 over 4 raised to power 3. Now, do the same thing as saying 1 over 4 raised to power 3 means what? 4 times 4 times 4. So that is 4 in 3 places. 4 times 4 gives 16. 16 times 4 will give us 64. So that means our final answer is 1 over 64. Then let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is what? X raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power minus 5. X raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power minus 5. So this is same thing as saying x raised to power 3. So when you talk of division, we said that whenever we are having division in indices, what you need to do is to what? To subtract the powers. So this is what? X raised to power 3. Because of this division, we say minus this minus 5. Now, you now realize from here that two signs are beside each other. So what you need to do to the signs that are beside each other is multiply the sign. So that means the same thing as saying 3x raised to power 3 minus times minus will give us what? Plus 5. So that means we have x raised to power 3 plus 5 is what? 8. X raised to power of 8. Now, from there, let's go to number 5. So number 5 is what? 9 times 10 raised to power 9 divided by 3 times 10 raised to power 3. Now you realize our 9 and 3 are constant number. So you can easily divide them. So this is 3 here is 1. 3 in 9 is what? 3. So we can write it again as a 3 times 9 raised to power 9. 1 times 10 raised to power 3 is still same thing. So writing it as 10 raised to power of 3. Now from here, you realize that in 10 raised to power 9 and 10 raised to power 3, so they have the same constant number. And since they are having power, so you can easily apply the law of indices here, which says that if it is division, you need to subtract their powers. So that means same thing as saying that 3 times 10 raised to power this 9 minus, because this is division, you say minus 3. 3 times 10 raised to power 9 minus 3. So that means you now have 3 times 10 raised to power 9 minus 3 will give us what? 6. Then number 6. Number 6, that is what?